Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set the maximum volume level in your SOUNDCORE LIBERTY 5. To set the volume limiter to safe mode, at first tap this gear icon in top right corner in the app. Once you are here, tap Save Volume. As you can see, here we have the current headphone volume, decibel reading, refresh rate. Here we have real time, 10 seconds, 1 minute, doesn't matter. Here tap Limit High Volume, and now here they have this slider. If it's 75 decibels, it's equivalent to the volume of a vacuum cleaner. 80, equivalent to the volume of a noisy restaurant. 85, equivalent to the volume of a busy city street. 90, equivalent to the volume of a motorcycle revving, a car horn, and an ambulance siren. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.